Hola everybody, it's Shakira from Play for Promise, and I wanted to share what I'll be working on this summer in Puerto Rico and the fundraising efforts, what they'll be used to support. Now, for those of you who aren't aware, this past summer I provided pediatric massage therapy workshops to families who wouldn't typically have access to such a resource. And the reason being is it provides so many health benefits, and it's something that's sustainable and economical, that's pretty simple for parents to continue incorporating in their daily routines. And I wanted this effort to continue. However, I live in New York City, so it's very hard for me to go back to Puerto Rico and provide this support, especially in times like this, where there's a lot of anxiety due to the continuous earthquakes. So I spoke with Tina Allen and I asked if she would come to Puerto Rico and certify therapists. She's the founder of Little Kids. She travels the world certifying therapists and providing workshops in areas of high need. So I thought, what better way for her to come and to support Puerto Rico and to help therapists obtain certification so they can continue providing support. A significant portion of the fundraising monies will be used to actually pay for part of the certification. A lot of therapists on the islands are not receiving a regular paycheck. I've spoken with some therapists who didn't get paid for almost a whole school year. How they do it, I don't know, but they have a heart of gold and they see that the kids really need the support, so they stay working. They stay on the island doing what they can to support as many families as possible. And I'd like to support them and help them obtain an extra tool belt, an extra certification, so that way they can provide as much support to the families, especially in the remote areas. Therefore, I'm having multiple fundraisers. The first being on February 21st at El Barrio's Art Space. And I would love for you all to come. If you cannot, donation is greatly appreciated on playforpromise.org. And if you can come, great. Tickets are available on Eventbrite. Just look for Queer Monologues and Short Plays 2 and it pops right up. We will have small plates, drinks, and we're gonna have a great performance, a great time. So I look forward to you to come out and ask as many questions as you like when you meet with me to learn more about what we'll be doing in Puerto Rico. And again, if you cannot come out, we'll have other fundraisers. And if you can't come out to those, you can always donate at playforpromise.org. My apologies. 24/7. Playforpromise.org. 24/7. You can make a donation and know that you are supporting families all over Puerto Rico throughout all the archipelago. So thank you very much for watching and stay tuned.